Hi everyone, this is Shirley and this is Deliberate Cooking, and this is another episode. It's not cooking, but it's a quick out the door, something that I actually do every day, and I take it to work with me in this blue mug here. And sometimes I make too much and I'll put it in this old container here. I'll show you guys that later, and put it in the refrigerator and have it when I come back, because normally I am hungry. I do take my lunch to work. So let's get started. Thank you for being here. Please let others know that this channel is doing cooking, trying to do it all naturally as possible. So I'm going to add some milk, and I like it smooth, so I'm going to put my tofu in it for the protein. Then I have what I'm going to do is for my top, and I lost a little part to this here, so I'm going to put you on pause for a minute and I will be right back. I'm going to blend this up, and I might actually just, I got that a little bit smoother, as you can see. I can grab a spoon. And this is something you can make, you don't have to spend $7 for. Okay, so once I do that, I can add my frozen or fresh strawberries if you want. And if it gets too thick, you can add some more milk. I have avocado chopped in little chunks. And I will take a banana and add half a banana to this. And if you like it like that and you don't want it sweet, which I do, I have my banana here. I'm just going to break that up. And this is a quick get you going in the morning. It'll make you last until sometime, for me, 1 o'clock, sometime 2 o'clock. Okay. It looks like that at this point. Okay, and it's a little thick, which is fine if you like it like that, but I'm going to add a little bit more. So I'm going to add my not a lot of chia seeds, it's so much fiber, but this is what helps keep you full. Just a little bit of chia seeds. And I buy the flaxseed whole, and then I grind them in the coffee grinder. Add some of that. So you got your fiber in there, and you will go to the bathroom. Don't make it too thick, because you don't want to be constipated. You will get constipated. Or drink plenty of water after you have this in the morning. Okay. Let's see how thick it is. That's pretty good. That's a good consistency right there. It's a mess. You don't see the mess. I'm going to move this blender out of the way. And you just take your little mug that you have, fill it up. That's for you to take in the car to go with you. And while I'm walking around the house, or if I don't want to drink all this right now, I have another, we bought all these things. I got it. This one I got from work, where I used to work. And this part, I'll just put it in the refrigerator. You don't have to freeze it. Put it in the refrigerator, and when I come home, I can drink the rest of it. So you guys, I didn't put any sugar in this one, but if you like sugar, and I forgot to put spinach in it, you also can put spinach. I was trying to move so fast. No spinach this time, but on the next one, so you can add your spinach also. I'd like to thank you for being with me with Deliberate Cooking. Until the next video, you guys take care. Try to eat as clean as you can, and I know that's hard, but even one day out of a month, give your body a break from all the harsh stuff that we put in it. Your stomach is working so hard to keep you going. Give it a break. One day. One day. Until next time. Bye-bye.